Hi, I'm Elias, owner of Automotive. We've been trading in Penrith since 1985 when we started with my father and my two brothers. We predominantly work on European cars. We've had a passion for European cars for many, many years. And our customers have many different cars, so it's not always European, so they bring us the other makes and models. We can diagnose cars starting from 80s when they started with electronics all the way through where we're at now. So they've changed significantly, but we have equipment for any old car or any new car. We generally use all European made parts. We use top quality oils such as liquid moly, which is German made and comes with factory approvals. We're not here to do quick, nasty work. We're here to do work with care, precision, and we take pride in what we do. So if there's ever anything wrong, we'll be looking at your car as soon as possible, not book it in for weeks in advance.
So I'm Leo, Elias' son. Growing up in a family of generational mechanics, I've always been exposed to cars at a young age, and now that I've gotten older, I've wanted to learn more about it and continue the family tradition. If you want to check us out online, you can check us out on Facebook and Instagram, visit our website, call in, or we always encourage if you come in, have a chat with us and we can see what we can do for you.